new industrial revolution is on its way, and we are already in it, and India is going to be definitely leading this in the next decade. And some of the big trends that we see in PCB industry specifically is that as the density increases, we have more compact PCBs coming in. We have the yield optimization related tools. We have AI-based QA tools that are coming in. Also, there are a lot of new improvements in the way factories interact with the customers. See, I think 3D modeling and 3D visual inspection has been there for quite some time. But I think what has happened now is that because of the computation, cloud computation that is available across different worldwide servers, right? So it becomes very easy for this technology to kind of reach the end customers and also help the factory floor in many ways. That's slightly far away. That's something that technology is something that has evolved, but it is still going to take some time for it to eventually be a mainstream technology for building PCBs as such. So in the next 5 years, I can totally see how people would use AR in in their labs to debug circuits. And help in assisting them to debug some of these test scenarios and in the lab. So two aspects. One is the software aspect. One is the actual building aspect, right? So the software aspect of 3D PCB is definitely going to transform in the next decade. However, the actual manufacturability from a additive or subtractive manufacturing standpoint, I think that still has long way to come. In our industry specifically speaking, it's going to be helping in mostly yield improvements, right, and factory floor optimization. So how can we improve more of the factory productivity? How can we best utilize our capacity and reduce the defects in the factory floor, right? So essentially, yield improvements and factory floor utilization is where I see AI being really transformational in PCB industry. And in general, for any manufacturing industry, I think these are the two areas that it's going to really bring some transformations. And these transformations will look from a consumer standpoint, from an end user standpoint, these will translate into lower costs, higher, faster delivery times, and better quality, right? And those are the three pillars of manufacturing, and that's going to be transformative from an AI standpoint. And so this, along with 3D modeling, will definitely even more accelerate these the three pillars, which is cost, quality, and lead time. And that's where I see the industry going towards.